You don't slow down after 50, unless your health does. Obesity isn't just a number on a scale. It's a global health challenge, one that affects millions of men every day. Heart disease, diabetes, joint pain, even depression. The risks are real, but so is your power to change. It's more than weight. It's a global health crisis caused by our habits, our environment, and our choices. Obesity steals energy, health, and confidence. But awareness is the first step toward freedom. Start with small steps, a balanced diet, more movement, and the courage to take control. Every healthy choice is a victory. Let's rise together, strong, informed, and unstoppable. Because when we choose health, we choose life. The Age of Optimal Health by Surleigh Tara is an essential guide for men over 50 looking to improve their health and well-being. Our unique approach combines scientific evidence with the wisdom of Pacific Islander cultures to help men over 50 lead healthier, more fulfilling lives. Order the Age of Optimal Health now. Unlock all these life-transforming benefits when you pick up a copy today.